Michael, 5-axis machining, you guys are now involved in that when it comes to people purchasing a machine. You've got the MVF Series, launched here at EMO. Tell us about this model.
Well, to be fair, our MVF Series has been in the market for a couple of years already. It's just that with the Sinumerik One control on the MVF 5000, as well as the more compact MVF 4000 we have, these are the brand new machines that we have brought out.
Okay, now are you noticing that people are moving away from 3-axis machines when they purchase, and they're looking more towards being able to do more with the machine, hence 5-axis is becoming a more popular choice?
I think it's really about what industry they're involved in. A lot of times when people are looking for a 5-axis, they're either in medical, aerospace, that sort of industry. But more and more we're finding that even just job shop owners are looking into, well, I want to expand my capability. I want to expand my capacity on what else I can do, what other jobs I can be available for. And so they are looking at 5-axis machining centers.
What's important to them, do you think, when they're buying a machine? What are the things that they look out for when they're, I mean, it's a lot of 5-axis on the market. You walk around here in EMO, there's dozens of them. So what do they pinpoint?
There are, I think, two key aspects for every buyer. Number one, price. It's always about price. Can I get it at a good price? Number two, it's about, does that machine meet my needs? And I think what we've done is we offer our machines with a wide variety of options, a wide variety of features and specifications to meet those various customer needs at the price point that they're looking for.
Okay, what would those options be though? What are the areas that they kind of look to, to explore?
Well, the biggest thing would obviously be the controller. Now here for us, we have the Fanuc controller and the Sinumerik One. We also have future plans to introduce the Heidenhain control as well, which is very popular with these sorts of machines. Nextly is the spindle. That's the main part that's doing all the machining. So with the MVF 4000 on my right, that has a 40 taper, 15,000 direct line spindle, whereas with the 5000, we have a 18,000 built-in spindle with an HSK A63 spindle taper.
Okay, yeah, they're two good key areas, but what about also starting to move these machines into production? I mean, you've got the automation there, haven't you? Is that an area, do you think people go, okay, well, I want to bolt this on, interface this, interface that?
More and more, I see automation as a must-have. Now, as I mentioned with the STX, people are finding it harder and harder to find operators to run these machines. So if you can set it up with automation to do an overnight sort of job or a long-term job, then that's a definite must-have. And so with this, we have the REXIO robot that we're doing an automation demo with, parts loading and unloading. But with that sort of setup, you don't really need someone to be by the machine all the time.
Big statement for SMEC this week, 677 square meters of a stand here at EMO. Premieres on the STX. Okay, I know the MVF's been around for a while, but it is still a big message from you. What is the statement from the company this week to people that are visiting your stand?
Well, we want to assure them that we are here in this market, in this country, in this area, and we'll be here for the customers, for our distributors, until the end of time.